So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you SIMS has opened their form for Fab 2023 batch for DNS sponsorship, and it will be guiding you how to apply in this and what are the eligibility criteria and all. So if you will go to the course section application page, so you will see DNS program. You will click on that, and yes, they had opened their form, and you can apply for the same Fab 2023 batch. For that, you have to tick all the boxes and be sure you must read all these things. And then here it's already selected your diploma in nautical science and batches Fab 2023. And yes, you have to make online payment of 1100. And in personal information, here you have to write your Aadhaar number, your IMCT rank should be there. And if you don't have your IMCT, if you hadn't had given, then also you can put dots वगैरह, and you have to write your first name, middle name, last name. If you don't have, then you don't write your middle name or last name. And then you have to select your date of birth. These all things are simple, and I have already instructed in my previous videos. And you should have your passport size photograph, and its minimum size should be 200 kb, and it should not exceed 2 MB. And then you have to click on choose file, and then you have to select your photograph. Then you have to fill your father's name, occupation, annual income, and their contact number, and medical fitness. You have to select your eyesight, and the color blindness should be no, and the major illness if you are having, then you have to give in yes in this box. And then you have to write all the details of your 10th class and your 12th class. This all things I have already mentioned in my previous video, so you can refer those. And then after, you have to select your center, but don't worry, I think this time Sims may take your online test, but it's not 100% sure. It may be your center based also, so do prepare for your center based examination also. Then you have to tell that how did you came to know about Samundra Institute, and select all these things. And after that, you have to click, you have to read all the terms and application and declaration, and then you have to submit and make a payment of 1100 rupees. Let's talk about its eligibility criteria. Your age should be not less than 17 years, and for 10 plus 2 candidate, your maximum age should be 20 years. And if you're a graduate, then you must be 22 or 25 years. If you had done BTech, then 25. And if you are a BSc graduate, then your age should be maximum 25, sorry, 22 years. And in academics, SIMS want your 12th board should be held in the first attempt, and it should be from a regular board, and you must have a 60% PCM percentage, and including physics and math it should be 50%. And next is for Andhra Pradesh and Kerala board, 11th and 12th aggregate marks will be considered for the above mentioned criteria, and rest all things are same. And yeah, your IMCT candidate must pass IMCT exam. If you have given your IMCT exam, then you can also apply. And talking about Fab 23 IMCT, so majorly chances are there that IMCT will not be held, but we are also not sure, that we have to wait more for their further clarification. So just wait, guys. If you are having any kind of doubt or anything, you can put in the comment section. I will try to uh, solve your problems or queries. And currently, I was thinking to make a video on Anglo Eastern, but their website is not working properly. So I will make next video on Anglo Eastern. So okay, bye, guys.